I really did it for the purpose.
Right.
And I just thought that with, my ex-wife Maria being a judge,
Right. Great judge.
who was wonderful on the bench, and her and I are still wonderful friends, and we co-parent really well. And I just thought that the way that this particular judge treated me in that courtroom, when my ex covered for that individual judge all the time when that person would go on vacation, would do her docket, I just thought, if you're treating me like this, how are you treating everybody else?
Right. Right.
And I just thought that it just was like fundamentally unfair. And I just, at the end of the day, I asked for a continuance because I wanted to see my son go play lacrosse. Now, obviously, your son plays lacrosse, so you totally understand
Oh, yeah.
that, like, those lacrosse weekends are special.
Right.
And you don't really have many of them.
Nope.
I mean, like, you're done.
Right.
So, I mean, you're going to go to college and watch your son play, but you don't, I mean, I'm at the age, my son was going into 8th grade, but now he's going into 9th grade, where those lacrosse weekends are really special. And on this particular weekend, I was going to South Carolina, but the flight coming back from South Carolina for JetBlue only flew on Monday mornings. So I needed to get back. This particular judge set a trial date on Monday morning at 9 o'clock. I asked for continuance at least a month in advance. Kept getting denied. I didn't really understand why. She said I wasn't following the correct procedure, and I couldn't get in touch, and because I wasn't getting permission from the other side, which was very crazy because the other side was unrepresented, so there was no way I could get in touch with the other side. They weren't responding to me.
Right.
So there's no way I could have changed the date. And I didn't want to miss my son's lacrosse tournament. And so at the end of the day, after I tried 4 times, she denied the continuance all 4 times, even after sending my ticket, my ex-wife's ticket, my daughter's ticket, my son's ticket, to show what I was doing that weekend. It's not like I was making it up or trying to get out of something. And I even asked in the last 2 responses, why don't you just set it for the next day? Or can I come in at like 1 o'clock?
Right.
Can I come in at 11 o'clock? Both of them were denied. And then when I got there at 9 a.m. and other lawyers were there, because in this particular division, they set tons of trials at the same time.
Right.
We were all there. Mike Jones was there, which then leads to another issue later on in the
Right.
campaign. But we were all sitting there waiting, and the judge's JA walks out and says, the judge went to New Jersey or Pennsylvania this weekend. I can't remember where she went. She's on vacation. She's not coming back till later. She won't be here till 11 o'clock.